Hello friends, once again welcome back to my another video. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you glass painting ideas. So first of all, if you are my new viewer, so must subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Glass painting ideas covering a variety of themes, styles and techniques you can explore. This can help you generate inspiration whether you are a beginner or experienced in the art. Glass painting idea. Glass painting is a beautiful and timeless form of art that allows you to transform plain glass surfaces into stunning pieces of decorative beauty. From some simple sun catchers to intricate framed artworks, the possibilities in glass painting are endless. Here is an elaborate description various by themes and style to spark your imagination. Nature is one of the richest sources of inspiration for glass painting. Floral designs. Flowers like roses, sunflowers, lilies, or cherry blossoms look stunning when painted on glass. You can make them look realistic with shaded petals and soft gradients, or go for a more abstract, stylized look. Birds on branches. Birds are like peacocks, parrots, or sparrows perched on delicate branches, often combined with blossoms or leaves, create a peaceful, poetic position. Butterflies and bees. These tiny creatures with their detailed wings and vibrant colors can create a dynamic design. They are perfect for sun catchers and window panes where light can play through their translucent wings. Tree sloots. A winter tree with bare branches or a full leafy tree in summer creates an elegant and symbolic piece, especially when done in black outline style against a softly colored background. Traditional and cultural motifs. These designs are often deeply symbolic and rich in history. Mughal or Rajasthani patterns, intricate floral and architectural motifs from traditional Indian art can look regal and timeless when painted on glass. Mandala designs. Symmetrical circular mandala patterns painted with patience and precision are claiming and spiritual. They are often done with gold, silver, or white liners. These glass paintings are very easy to make. If you watch my full video till end, you will see over 50 plus designs of glass painting. If you have any request or if you have any question related to this video, please let me know in comment section. In my next video, you will see many other different craft designs and ideas. I really hope that you really like all the designs. So keep supporting me guys and keep watching my videos. I really hope that you really like this, and if you want to see more ideas related to crafts, so subscribe to my channel and must press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates of videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.